March 17, 2024. Got the C10 69. Bunch of parts in the back. Factory two-wheel drive V8 California truck. AC cab. The guy I bought it from, he was converting into four-wheel drive. So the deal I made with him, I'll give him his axles back, front and rear, suspension back, and I'll put it back to two-wheel drive. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I was going to remove the axle, so which I did. Took me a few hours. Removed the axle, springs, shocks, wheels, gave it back to the seller. I asked him if he wanted the rear end. He said no, just the wheels. So pull the wheel off, took it back to him. The more I looked at this truck, it's not too bad. I don't know if it just has original paint or just one coat over it, but everything looked pretty original. Only bad thing, couple bad things. Firewall front frame. A lot of work's been done over the last 50 years. Horrible welding jobs. They just they welded the washer where the shocks went. They welded cross members on, which is just horrible. There's both side floor kick panels, rusted out rocker panels, which I've seen on pretty much every C10 I've looked at. But let me see. Yeah, there's some horrible. They welded the cross member. Both of the cross members, horrible weld job. They welded this power steering adapter plate. There's a horrible weld job in there. I could fix it. I could cut it out and patch it and grind it and weld it and make it look like it was never there. But the amount of time I'm gonna spend on this, almost better to just get a different frame and start off with that. It'll save me so much time. But other than that, both doors looks like it's been painted white. Maybe there was a company decal, that's why they have dual gas tank. Maybe they commuted a lot, I don't know. Used it for a business. I'm definitely thinking about buying a brand new bed, steel bed, aftermarket ones. It'll save me so much time doing body work to this. So actually I found out, called a couple places around me for sandblasting. So for the both doors and the cab inside and out, they quoted me $1,800, frame $1,500. At that point I didn't even ask how much it would be to sandblast a bed. It's almost cheaper for me to just go get a brand new bed kit. Save me a lot of deal with body work and sandblasting and transporting and welding patches and holes. So definitely I might be going with a new bed kit. Most likely I'll be going with a new frame or different frame. Use one and patch the panels in the floors. Right now I'm thinking about just, if I'm not media blasting this cab, I might just keep it orange with white top. Yep, rocker panel shot in inner and outer floor. This was worse side, and then passenger side it's not too bad, but still there's some holes right there. It definitely could be patch, but most of the truck that needed to work, I've like 100% of truck I've looked at, they all had rust floors and rocker panels. Most of them even have drip rails on the roof, rusted out too, and that's even worse to replace. So at least this one's good with that. But yeah, definitely workable. Definitely need some labor. Alright guys, I'll be posting more videos. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and you'll be seeing more videos coming up here soon.